This is a listed fund instruction in Prairie Industrial Park, 21 Star Street in Kaya Sands. The property comprises of 9 mini industrial units, double volume warehouses constructed of IBR sheeting and face brick walls. All units are fitted with roller shutter doors which lead onto a main yard. The warehouse floors comprise of hardened concrete. The offices within each unit have drywalling with suspended ceilings. Floors are carpeted and windows have been installed in the warehouse. The units range in size from 230 to 270 square meters. The total GLA is 2,350 square meters. The property has a 3-phase power supply. The average rental being achieved is 45 Rand per square meter, excluding VAT and municipal recoveries. The property is 70% let. Where leases have expired or are projected to expire, a projected market rental of 42 Rand per square meter has been applied. This is a listed fund instruction. All 6 Kaya Sand properties are being sold separately or as one lot. Kaya Sands is an industrial node and is located within a 15-kilometer radius of Sandton CBD and is approximately 3 kilometers north of the Malibongwe Drive and Witkoppen Roads intersection. The property is located in the heart of Kaya Sands off Malibongwe Drive, which can easily be accessed from the N1 Western Bypass or N14 highways. Public transport facilities are readily available in this active industrial district. Surrounding areas include Boundary Park, North Riding and Cosmo City. The subject property is surrounded by a combination of other related industrial and commercial properties. Kaya Sands is a favorable industrial area and has a vast variety of businesses, warehouses and manufacturers operating in this precinct. Further details can be found in the downloadable investor pack on the High Street Auction Company website. This property will be going on auction at Summer Place at 69 Melville Road, Hyde Park on the 28th of July at 12 noon.